Are you having a good RC day? I hope so, because I am. I'm up at the airfield to test a new jet in my arsenal. I have pushed my limits this year like crazy. I started off flying jets just a couple months ago, EDFs of course, and I'm trying to progress. I'm stepping my way up into bigger, faster, more powerful jets. This is the E-flite Viper, 70 millimeter. And believe it or not, it flies on a 6S pack. By 6S pack, I do mean the bricks that you build your house with, you know, those batteries. This is huge. You could jumpstart a car with this. Amazing. Guys, this thing should be fast, but it's also supposed to be very stable and fairly beginner friendly. It's classified as an intermediate jet on the skill level. Having a few jets and flights under my belt now, I feel very confident with my skill to fly this. We'll have this jet linked in the description box below. We'll also pin it in a comment. I'm going to also link my favorite transmitter. Can you see how windy it is? The battery's not in it right now, but it is pushing everything around. It's very windy. I'm so confident in this thing. But the batteries and the transmitter will be linked in the description box below. It's very important that you get the right battery when you're flying something that is fast and powerful and big, because you don't want your CG to be off, your center of gravity. You don't want it to be nose heavy or tail heavy. So to have the right battery, the perfect battery, is very important. We'll have that linked below for you guys, comment section and the description box. Also, if you're new to the channel and YouTube analytics are telling us that if you're watching, odds are you're not a subscriber. Subscribe to our channel. We do awesome RC fun stuff all the time. I'm always pushing my limits to learn something new and encouraging you to do the same. What we're gonna do after this maiden flight today is, can't believe we're doing this. We've never done this on a plane video ever before. Because we're getting into such big, powerful jets now, we're gonna take this up another day and do a speed test, an actual rock solid speed test to see how fast this actually goes. So if you wanna see that, it should be coming really soon, as long as I don't crash it today in this maiden. I'm pretty confident we're not going to, but I'm excited. My heart's pumping, I'm alive. Let's do this. I just must not be happy unless I'm sweating bullets. Okay, half flaps, everything looks good. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice. Wow. Okay, let's put those flaps up. We'll put the landing gear up on the next pass, and I am just getting a feel for this because this is all new to me. You ready for this landing gear? Here we go. Landing gear's up. Nice. Okay, right now we're cruising at about half throttle and pretty high up. I just want to get a feel for the plane. This is a maiden flight after all, with safe select on. So I won't be doing any crazy maneuvers. I just want to see how this flies. I've never flown any jet this big, this powerful, and I've never owned a 6S plane before. So a lot of firsts for me. Here we go, full throttle pass. You ready? That is the fastest thing I've flown up here. Wow.
That was full throttle?
Yeah, but you know, I was easing into the full throttle.
And you were going into the wind, right? Against the wind? That was against the wind. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah, I'm just kind of taking it easy. I'm even sticking to a same pattern here. But you know what? This flies so well. Okay, here we go. Woo!
That was faster.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. And I'm still not cranking it, you know. I mean, I could be coming in off of a, there's with the wind, and that's maybe 75% throttle. I'm just getting a different flight pattern going here a little bit. Again, all with safe on, so this is crazy. I think I'm gonna fly 2 full packs with safe on with this. You guys are gonna see another flight of this jet with everything turned off. Here we go. Is that not one of the fastest things you've ever seen at our airfield?
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's bring it in again. Whoo, I'm not even touching rudder or anything yet. This is all bank and yank, just getting those nerves out of the way. Wow, it's flying so good. Here we go, one more pass. Full throttle, full throttle. Now it's all the way. Oh, nose into the wind, and that thing will just climb forever. I am so thankful for that zoom lens, aren't you?
Wow. I've noticed the plane seems a lot smaller on the screen this time. You're taking it really far.
Yeah, well, it's big and it's fast, and I'm just taking advantage of my...
Woo! Ooh, I lost you on that one.
Okay, let's put what I want to do now is try flying with the flaps, make sure it flies okay with the flaps down, and do some lower, slower passes while I still have juice. That's about half my flight time, if not more. So we're gonna go, there's half flaps and full flaps. I even saw them drop down on the jet. We've got the nose into the wind, so this should be a really cool, slow little pass.
Look at it, just dropping.
Yeah, well, the wind picked up like crazy. Yeah. Look how stable that is. Guys, look how slow that's going in comparison to what was just flying by like a bullet. I'm gonna raise those flaps up to half and just cruise around. Actually, let's go.
That's so cool.
The flaps are all the way up. I'm gonna do that because the wind picked up like crazy. Normally I would not fly in this much wind, but I was very confident in the 6S pack and just the flight performance of this from what I've seen online so far. So we're gonna hit half flaps there, and I think we're up to full flaps now. Yep, we'll do another nice slow pass. This is the most capable jet that I own, and surprisingly, it's not even one of the most expensive ones. This should be fun to land. I mean, the price of this is insanely awesome. Look at this, Abby. Oh my gosh. I probably could go a little slower, but I'm afraid to stall going that low. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's so cool.
Flaps are up, throttle's up, and I think we're gonna probably make an attempt at a landing on this one. So let me pass one more time. We'll lower that landing gear. I'd love to be just doing some rolls right now, but with safe on, that's the farthest that I can bank over, at least just out of the box by default. So on this pass, we're gonna lower that landing gear. I don't want to fly too fast with that. I want you guys to see it. I'll start kicking it in now. Yep. Boom, landing gear down. Looks good. We're just gonna cruise around at about half throttle and I'll lower the flaps to mid over Death Valley, I think. Yeah, my radio's telling me I got 1 minute left, and then we'll go to full flaps on my approach, and this should be a fun landing. I know I'm way out there, but this thing, it's big and I've got the range, so I'm gonna take advantage of it. So here's full flaps, landing gear down. I'll try to get it as close to us as I can to set it down. This thing, when the full flaps are down, is amazing. It's like a Harrier. Look how slow it's coming in compared to the bullet that it was. I'm so thankful I've got a rudder now for this. You ready? Oh, come on, Nathan, come on.
Do you have another pack?
I got another pack. I am not gonna end on that. No way. Let's go to half flaps and do that again. I cannot end on that. Oh my gosh, that was so slow and smooth. I should have had a smoother landing. We'll recover that. Okay, here's full flaps again. Let's come in nice and slow. I think that wind rocking just scared me a little bit. That beeping is just a timer on my radio. And I wanted to get it as close to us as possible, yet still have a nice, super smooth landing. That was a 5-minute flight on my 5-minute timer. There, a little better. Still a little bouncy.
You get it.
Yeah.
That's not bad for a maiden.
No, not at all. Woo!
Good job.
This will be a short flight. I want to save a little bit of juice for those beautiful slow motion shots that you guys have been watching. We're going to see how fast we can get this to take off now that my confidence is a little higher. Half flaps, let's blast it. Nice. Oh, that thing is just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Those flaps are up, and I like to raise the landing gear when you guys can see it, so I'll do it on the next pass. We'll just do some fun stuff with this in the air. Here we go. All right, we're gonna raise it about now. Yow! See you later, flaps. I mean landing gear and flaps, because they're up too. All right, let's get a couple fast passes. That is fun. And you know what? I've got a couple more videos coming of this for you guys. We've got to do the speed test, and I'm gonna have to fly this without the safe stabilization on. I just wanted a second flight with that on, because this is a big, fast jet, and if I've got it, I'm going to take advantage of it. With this wind, I am very happy to have that. And I think when I'm flying it without that, I'll probably be flying it a lot closer, I'd say. Here we go, full throttle. I just kicked into it right there. That is just awesome every time it goes by. Oh, wow. Okay, let's try to get one more really quick shot here. Whoo, right on that tree line.
So you're gonna do like a speed test, and then what else are you gonna do?
Flying without safe, you know, so we can do rolls and steep climbs and all that good stuff. Let's lower those
You're
flaps.
gonna have to get a ton more success packs.
I know. Yeah, these are my first two. These are the first two 6S
Only
packs that I've owned. We're gonna do a nice slow pass, and then I'll land it on the next one for y'all. Let's see if I can. It almost looks like it's hovering out there, doesn't it?
It's so cool watching it like come down.
I think it is hovering. I mean, wow, 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 wow. That's just so amazing. That's so amazing. Well, all right, we're gonna land it on this next pass. I have to save a little bit of juice to get those slow-mo shots, and I am in love. I mean, this thing is just awesome, just so awesome. What do you think, Abby?
It's really cool.
Yeah.
As the flaps, that's my favorite. Like, cause it looks like it's just hovering down.
Landing gears down.
Like the mothership is coming in for a landing, kind of. I mean, don't you guys think that? Look at it. You can see the flaps down all the way, right? You have them down all the way vertical.
It looks like some like thrusters on the bottom, like a Harrier.
So crazy.
Yeah, and I mean, look how slow it's coming in. My landing gear are down, flaps are down, and then we just get it a little closer, and we'll try to flare here at the end. There we go. That was a little better. A little better. That is an amazing jet, you guys. That's so much fun to fly, and really 6S sounds intimidating. A bigger EDF sounds intimidating, and it kind of looks intimidating, and it's really aggressive looking and just awesome looking. But with that safe select on there, even in this wild wind, I mean, this is pretty gusty. It's easy to fly. It is easy to fly. I love this. It's been such a good year for me for RC planes. Yeah, I've had some crashes, but nothing like this. It's usually that kind of budget option plane that isn't made as well as something like this. And don't get me wrong, this will probably have its day sometime, but it's going to be me flying inverted, touching that tail to that grass, baby. That's going to be awesome. And that's where I'm hopefully heading in the next couple of months. Even with the weather getting colder, I'm going to be out here flying this jet. This thing is a blast. Remember, we're going to do a speed test of it coming soon on the channel. Hopefully I'm flying it without the stabilization on in that video, and then we're also going to fly a dedicated video of this with the safe mode completely off. That means rolls, loops, Hopefully some inverted passes, steep climbs, and steep dives. We're gonna ramp up the fun. This is gonna get really crazy. And it's by far the fastest thing I've ever flown. And if you're thinking about buying this jet or any RC plane, car, truck, batteries that you need for your vehicles, maybe a new transmitter, then use the link that we have in the description box below. It helps support us a lot, and we thank you very much. Guys, all the good stuff will be linked down there. Highly recommend you get the right battery for this. It makes a big difference. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!